Hi there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All, educational videos channel, and we are continuing with Scratch tutorials, and in this video clip we are going to explain how and when to use Scratch block which is named Height. Let's go to Scratch and see this in action. In last video we have coded these buttons left and right, blue and green and gray, to take us to the concert stage or to the start stage, to the blank stage, and that works fine. But now I'm having the problem of starting page, of starting level. I don't like how this guy, this dancer guy, rapper guy, is also on the first stage, on the first level, and also on the concert stage, stars also. And I want in my game, my idea is that in my game this guy, this rapper guy, should be only on the stage, concert stage, not on this first blank stage. So I have to solve that problem somehow, and these new blocks that we are going to use in a couple of next videos are going to help me. First one is this show button, which is in looks buttons, in looks blocks, and it's seventh from the no, in this one I'm going to explain height, sorry. Height is, yeah, 6 from the bottom in looks group of blocks, Scratch blocks. And before using it I just have to think about for a few moments and to show you some other way to do it. Yeah, I want this guy to disappear from the first stage, from the first backdrop, and one way to do it is just to click on this excuse me, just to click on this first I have to select this guy, and there beneath that sprite, beneath that image, below the sprite field where it says dancing kid, that's how I rename it, there is the show buttons, two buttons, one with the eye icon, and the second one is also the eye icon but with the line over it, strike through over it. So the first one says show something on the screen, and the second one says hide something on the screen. So if you have this kid selected in your Scratch program, in your Scratch window, and you click on the first one, show, that kid will be visible on the stage, and if you click on the second one, the one to the right, the kid will disappear. Okay, that's fine, that's great, that's just what I need. Let's do that for the star also, and that's it, that's problem solved, right? And when I click on the gray button, they are also gone from our concert stage, and we want them to show here. So if I click on the show button for the stars and for the kid, they will be shown on the concert stage. That's cool, that's great, that's what I need. But when I click on the blue button to get back on the white screen, no, they are still there. So we have a problem, and these buttons here, they are not going to solve it probably. So we have to think something smarter, and everything you can do with these buttons or these fields here, with typing these numbers or clicking these buttons, same thing you can achieve with your code. That's great about programming, that everything you are able to do in this Scratch window here, you can do it on a couple of ways, and coding is one of the way. The another way is by typing the numbers here or clicking those buttons here. But let's see Let's see now how it's done with the coding. And I will drag and drop hide button from the looks group of buttons blocks, and I will zoom it. It's very simple, very small scratch block, but that doesn't mean it's it's not important. Quite opposite. And how can I code it? I can, for example code it when I click on this guy. I want him to disappear, but that doesn't make much sense. So let's detach this forever block for now and attach this hide block and click on the green flag, and he disappears. Great, that's great. But when I click on the gray button and go to the concert stage, he is also invisible, still invisible. He is not shown yet, so we're in the same problem. But for this lesson, I think this will do it. Don't delete this forever block. We have to implement it and attach it later somehow in a smarter way. But for this lesson, let's also do that for stars. Let's just drag and drop hide block from looks group of blocks and attach it to when green flag clicked for the star 1, detach forever, and same for the star 2, drag and drop hide, attach it to when green flag clicked, click on the green flag, and everything what we wanted is disappeared from the screen, both of the two stars and that dancing kid. So for now, that's it. We have learned how to hide something. In next video we are going to learn how to show it, and later we are going to solve the problem which we have now, and that problem is we want our stars and dancing kid to show on the concert stage and disappear on the blank stage. Blank stage works, but the concert stage doesn't work yet. We want them to show on the concert stage, and that's the problem we are going to solve in the next few videos. For now on, that's it for this video. You can experiment with this hide button if you want. Try to add it to some other control blocks or some other objects on the screen, but I will leave it this way for now, and we'll see you in next video lessons. Bye for now.